Thailand is changing. Within the next few decades, the country and economy will undergo digital transformations under Thailand 4.0. And playing a key role is this facility, the Lumada Center Southeast Asia. Opened in 2018, it's situated in Chonburi, slated to be one of 3 smart cities along Thailand's Eastern Economic Corridor. The Lumada Center offers answers to those seeking solutions on the Internet of Things, and problem solving with clients or co-creation plays an important part of Hitachi's objectives at the center. This team from the Siam Cement Group, or SCG, has undertaken a project involving its Tung Song cement factory.
We have looking for the technology platform that can reduce the energy cost or improve the efficiency at Tung Song plant. Hitachi sent the expert to visit Tung Song, and we find together the solution.
To learn where problems lie, data is collected. In this model of a production line, it is not just the use of sensors that's important, but the cameras overhead. These monitor the efficiency of the workflow. In the case of SCG Cement Factory, the pilot project aims to find ways to reduce costs and analyze the potential use of innovative technologies across various businesses.
I have seen the technology that Hitachi have. Also, I think that is quite suitable for what we want to test. For example, how you can control the cement plant load curve, and also the energy conservation, and maybe another motor to lower down the energy consumption.
Solutions to reinforce a client supply chain by linking up multiple businesses to share resources and optimize logistics and planning is the next phase at the Lumada Center. Until that is implemented, the center is focused on transforming the manufacturing industry through smart data analytics and AI.
Lumada Center is not a building, it's not a showroom. It's a center of our co-creation to bring our technology and foster the people for the digitalization age.
With this successful first step in Thailand, the Lumada Center aims to bring IoT and open data technologies to more companies and countries across ASEAN.